how to fix Call of Duty Warzone 2.0 GPU driver version error. First things first is make sure that your Warzone is currently not running on your PC. To do so, right click on your task manager and go to task manager. From here, if your Warzone is currently running, for example, this is your Warzone, just right click in it and then click End Task. Now, second thing to do is go to your Windows search and type Device Manager. Click OK. Now from here, all you have to do is go to Display Adapters and double click on your current HD graphics. Now from here, you have to go to Driver. Now what you need to do is click on Update Driver. Now once you've done that and then it's still not fixing the issue, what you need to do is to download or update your current graphics card. Now, if you're using an Intel graphics card, this is the link that you need to go to, and then once you're here, just click on download. Same goes with AMD. If you're using AMD, go to this link, and then if you're using NVIDIA, just go to this link and then just fill out the form necessarily. So that's how you troubleshoot Warzone 2.0 GPU driver version error.